Interact's a machine learning based software development business. We also have environmental consultancy as well. So primarily what we do is we look at energy efficiency for servers and sort of data holders, and we try and optimise that from an energy, carbon and cost point of view. The most important thing about Interact is our data. So we spend all day, every day benchmarking servers to provide the world's largest scope of IT benchmarks. We then apply that to the machine learning within our software solution, and that gives us an advantage of 12 to 13 times more data than the rest of the world put together. So I guess our secret sauce is how diligent we are in data collection and what that allows us to do from a machine learning and software point of view.
Hi, I'm Noor. I'm the lead application developer at Interact. In our research, we have measured the energy efficiency of servers to determine the impact of certain server configurations on power draw and performance, as well as quantify the performance difference between new and refurbished servers. We found that there is no significant difference in performance between new and refurbished models, and this is substantial because it encourages product life extension for servers and promotes circular economy in data centers. Our research is ongoing, and we continue to benchmark more servers to determine the impact of other factors such as temperature and certain BIOS settings on energy efficiency.
My name's Astrid. I am Head of Sustainability at Interact. I'm also a Chartered Environmentalist, and it's my job to try and assess latest environmental research, environmental trends, and see how they apply to our company and see how we're doing the best that we possibly can. Interact is committed to sustainability, to reducing carbon usage in the data centre sector worldwide. The impact that we could potentially make there is massive. Interact offers IEMA certified sustainability for the workforce, for managers and for leaders courses. The sustainability courses incorporate net zero and carbon accounting into them. The benefit of having sustainability training is that you really understand why you're doing things. It's not just a tick box of, I have to do this because somebody tells me to. I am doing this because I understand the importance of doing this, and I understand the connections with the rest of the world if I do things in the right way.
I'm Marie. I'm UK Projects Coordinator. I do data maintenance and analysis, so I basically produce performance and sustainability reports for our customers. I really enjoy the variety that we have at Interact. The work, no 2 days are the same. We're working on lots of different projects at the moment. I'm learning loads all the time. Aside from that, also, I'm able to work flexibly, which is fantastic to fit around childcare and other family commitments, really. So yeah, it's great. The most fun part for me is the people and working with lots of different people, and that's not just the team at Interact, they're great, but also our customers, getting to know lots of different people from different organisations that all do different things. So I think the work that we do at Interact is really important because we're trying to make a really big impact on a carbon heavy sector, and we've got a really strong purpose. We want to make a big difference.
My name's Sally and I'm the marketing manager at Interact. So it's my job to get the message out about our sustainable IT solutions and to also build thought leadership content around a senior leadership team and their research. Diversity has always been important to Interact. We've always had a 50-50 male-female split in the senior leadership team. We are committed to the UN Global Goals, and some of our commitments around that are to maintain that split in the leadership team as the business grows, to support female sports people and to sponsor them, and to also support female leadership in the global community. There's lots of opportunities to develop your career at Interact. There's a huge variety of work as well. So one day I might be writing articles for the press, another day educating students on sustainable IT.
So I'm James Howard. I'm the commercial manager at Interact. It's my job to deal with customers on a day-to-day basis. We're a bit different. We're quite open. We're quite a disruptive type of company, but really it's all about the sustainability. It's just all about sort of trying to do that extra bit of good. There's more and more innovative software and hardware companies springing up all the time up north, and I think that's great for the country. We're trying to change the hearts and minds almost, it sounds like a cliche, but of the data center industry. We're working in an industry that's very male dominated, very kind of old school. So in a way we're a disruptor, and a lot of people don't like that. But you don't change things from the outside, you change it from the inside, and that's how we work. We can actually bring people's sustainability targets forward, because what we deal with servers is generally a massive chunk. It's not just like, we're not sorting out one computer, you know, we're talking about 1 million tonnes of carbon. So millions and millions of tonnes, and that's the most important thing.